All right, you are watching DefenseReview.com. I am here with William Cox of Archon Firearms, and he is going to take us through this very interesting Type B pistol. And so, all right, please take us through it.
Okay, so what we got here is the Arcon Type B pistol, 9mm striker-fired polymer frame gun here. The reason why it is the best gun on the market today would be something we call the AF speed lock technology. So, unlike most of your Browning type designs that require a barrel that tilts during operation, this gun actually requires no tilt. So if you notice here, it just moves straight back and forth in a line on top of those full-length rails there. So we actually gained some reliability there because the round is almost fed directly into that barrel. Because we have no tilt, we're able to get the bore that much lower in your hand, and we've actually got the lowest bore axis of any handgun on the market. The reason you care about that as a shooter is the higher your bore axis, the more energy you're going to have flipping over the top of the gun. In a perfect world, we'd probably shoot guns like this, but we need that slide to reciprocate, so this is as low as we can get. Now, in addition to that, we've also done what we feel makes this the most complete shooting experience right out of the box. So you're going to notice it's cut for Glock Sights, so if you happen to not like the fiber optic front and the blacked out serrated rear that it ships with, you can throw any sight you want right on there. We got the forward and the rear serrations. All the black metal you see is coated in black nitride. We've also got a short reset, flat face, straight trigger. That's going to encourage more of a straight to the rear press versus a hook and pull you get on some of those convex shaped shoes you're used to. We've got a reversible oversized magazine release button for you left-handed shooters out there. You can just swap it right over. And if you notice on the grip there, we've got little squares all over the place. That's something we call grip mapping technology. Those squares are actually oriented in different directions as to promote a high tang grip on the gun and hold you there throughout the course of fire. And as a matter of fact, there's a little nub on the back here that's designed to engage a tendon in your hand that'll close your hand, similar to banging your knee and having your leg flip up there, just like that. So the magazine well itself is slightly flared, and it does ship with 4 15-round Metgar magazines, in addition to the water-resistant soft Maltera case inside the box with the cable lock. So when we take a look at the actual frame grip here, you'll notice that it rides on full-length steel rails, unlike your 4 small points of contact on other polymer frame guns. This is actually the chassis system, the firearm right here. This is just the grip. This actually will come out.
And this is the locking lug.
Yeah, this is the AF speed lock right there. You can see there, pretty easy design. So yeah, what we've really tried to do is just keep everything super low and, you know, make it a shooter's gun.
So this gun essentially used to be the Arsenal Type B, which I originally did an article about.
That's correct.
And so the company name has changed, Arcon Firearms, and now it's called the Type B.
That is correct, yes.
So just so there's no confusion, because we published on a precursor to this gun, and now this is the latest, greatest version of it, and it's been renamed.
That is correct, yes.
So very cool. And this is available right now?
These will be shipping late spring.
Okay, and MSRP roughly?
$849.95.
All right, very cool. And right now, currently, this is the only size, the only model at the moment.
That is correct. We're looking at doing an A, and then we've got the B, and then a C later on.
Okay, and what's the barrel length of this one?
This is a 4.29, if I'm not mistaken.
4.29. And the other lengths, do you have any idea yet?
I do not know.
Okay, all right, very cool. Thank you very much, William. Really appreciate it. At the Arcon booth at SHOT Show 2018, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.